Sawa ka na ba sa same old adobo? Subukan mo itong adobong pula para maiba. This Ilonggo twist on the classic is aromatic and flavorful with a vibrant red color added by atsuete. Ilagay ang atsuete seeds while the oil is still warm to give them enough time to infuse the oil with color bago masunog. Gumagamit ako ng steamer strainer to keep the seeds contained at hindi magtalsikan sa pan. Masarap ang pork belly with ribs sa adobo, but pwede rin ng kasim or pork shoulder if you prefer a leaner cut. Slice ang meat into about 2 to 3 inches at i-sear until lightly browned and evenly colored. Mas maraming bawang, so much the better. Igisa ng bahagya at isunod ang ginger. Continue lang ang pagsangkot siya until fragrant. Ibuhos ang vinegar at pabayaan kumulo ng walang takip and without stirring para magmellow ang asim ng suka. Add water, peppercorns, bay leaves, chili peppers for a kick of spice, and brown sugar to balance the flavors with a bit of sweetness. Timplahan ng asin or fish sauce ayon sa panlasa. Hinaan ang apoy, takpan, and simmer for about 50 to 60 minutes or until the pork is fork tender and the sauce is reduced. Check and stir occasionally para pantay ang pagkaluto. Ready to serve na pag malambot na ang pork, but kung gusto mo ang mas tuyo, continue lang ang pagpapakulo without cover para ma-reduce pa ang sauce. Serve this red adobo with steamed rice for a bold, savory meal the whole family will love. Kung nakatulong sa iyo itong video, paki-share mo na rin para mas maraming makaluto. Enjoy!